Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
All right. What's going on, guys? Thank you for commenting, and subscribing. Start today's video off a little bit different. Just cash a pallet check. See it here for about a little under $4,000 this check is, but and of course, guys, I'll show you how to go out there and how to find these contracts that are going to pay you guys week in and week out for years to come. If you've been following my channel for a while, you can click the link in the description to this video. You can see the playlist called Show Me the Money. A lot of these internet gurus promise you guys and sell you guys all these dreams, but they don't really guys show you consistent income. I showed you guys years of me getting paid and years of my students getting paid. And of course, I know that you guys can do it as well. So as always, shoot me an email, shoot me a DM. Let's lock in. Let's make it the best year yet. Peace and love.